Your skin is your biggest organ, and what you put on your body is just as important as what you put in your body. I'm Angela Yvonne, and welcome to Beauty Without Sacrifice, where I believe you can still have luxury without harming yourself, the planet, or animals. Now, the process is so simple that anyone, I feel, can make this. And once you start making your own body butter, you'll see the difference. Now, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to find your butter, whether it's shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter. You know, sometimes I mix all three depending on what I see and whenever the mood, sort of strikes me. And you put it in a pan. Some people use the boiling method where you put it in glass and let it melt slowly with the boiling water, but I just throw it into my pan. I slowly let the butter melt, and while that is going, I'll add things like coconut oil, castor oil, Balboa oil. Pumpkin seed is like my oil of choice because I've started using it in my hair and I see the difference. And I also take pumpkin seed oil with saw palmetto pills every day along with my vitamin D with the K3. But you melt all of these different things together slowly. Keep an eye on it so it does not burn. Then after it gets melted all the way down, you put it in the refrigerator in order for it to chill a little bit because you need it to sort of get back to its thickness in order for it to blend properly. Now, some people may use a blender like a Bullet or some kind of handheld blender, but I have emulsive blender. I think that's how you pronounce it, and I am in love with it. So I use that and I blend it to my consistency. Now, if it gets to be too liquidy, you can always just go back and forth, putting it in the refrigerator for a little bit, then bringing it out, putting it in the refrigerator for a little bit, and then you bring it out. Then after I do all that, I also add like essential oils, maybe like lavender or maybe peppermint. You can choose whichever smell that you like, but lavender is sort of calming and soothing. I then put it into my glass jars. Now, I collect glass jars because I rather, store my food in glass than plastic. That's, just a preference. And I know that it's, better for you because I got me a glass air fryer as well because it's just, glass is just better for you. But I have all these glass jars, and instead of just throwing them away every time I get whatever I get out of them, I use them as containers, and it falls in line with sustainability, being able to recycle, and it also, falls in line with my clean skincare. Now, once I finish doing all that, sometimes I might put it back into the refrigerator. I might not, but I'll have enough that lasts me for a couple months, and then I restart it again. So let me know if you try this DIY. I'm telling you, it is better than you going to the store to buy your own. And also put me on if you make your other kind of skincare, because for me, it's really being intentional and being focused on the things that I am putting on my body. And I also feel that the products that you use is a way of saying thank you. So if you make your own DIY skincare, sound off below, and we'll see you in the next Beauty Without Sacrifice video.